In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money into your Polymarket account from India, so you can start participating in markets and trading safely. Before we start, it's important to stay secure while dealing with financial accounts online. I recommend using NordVPN, which you can get through the link in the description to keep your connection private while funding your account. First, log in to your Polymarket account using the same method you used to create it, whether that's a crypto wallet like MetaMask or an email login. Once you're logged in, go to the wallet or deposit section. This is where you can add funds to your account. Polymarket does not support direct INR bank transfers, so in India, the best way to deposit money is by buying USDC or USDT on a crypto exchange that supports INR deposits. Exchanges like WazirX, CoinDCX, or Binance India allow you to transfer INR from your bank account and purchase USDC. Once you have USDC or USDT in your exchange wallet, copy your Polymarket wallet deposit address. Then, send the purchased stablecoins from your exchange to your Polymarket wallet. Always double-check the address before sending, because cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible. If you choose PayPal, you may notice that it redirects you to MoonPay. This is because Polymarket doesn't process PayPal payments directly. MoonPay is a secure third-party payment processor that allows you to buy USDC using PayPal. You'll log in with your PayPal account, confirm the payment, and MoonPay converts your PayPal funds into USDC, which is then sent directly to your Polymarket wallet. So even though you clicked PayPal, the process works like this: PayPal, MoonPay, USDC, Polymarket wallet. Always double-check the wallet address on MoonPay before confirming and use only the official Polymarket redirect. After sending, your Polymarket account balance will update once the transaction is confirmed. You can then use these funds to participate in markets, trade shares, or engage in prediction markets on Polymarket. And remember, while depositing and managing your funds, staying secure is very important. That's why I recommend using NordVPN, available through the link in the description, to keep your connection encrypted and safe. That's how to deposit money into your Polymarket account from India and start trading securely.